What is going on, guys? Sean King back with another video, guys. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit the sub button for your boy. I'm a serial digital entrepreneur helping you guys literally to make money online. That is my purpose, to help you guys. Now, I have 3 websites for you guys. Literally, these 3 websites will help you generate some income online, especially with PayPal. Now, the first website I'm going to give you guys is pointsprices.com. Points Prices, let's check it out. So literally, it's a survey website. I know you guys hate those, but I'm telling you right now, this one is pretty good. So I want you guys to link in the description. Check it out. Click on that link and sign up and see how much income you can earn with this with this website here. But I would say this is a very good website, and you guys can, if you're bored, don't scroll on your Instagram and all that, just literally check out this website, earn that extra income today. Now, the second website I got for you guys, it's a very good website. I definitely highly recommend it. But let's get right into it. It's PrizeRebel.com, man. PrizeRebel.com is literally another way they value your opinion. So you could take surveys and redeem your free PayPal money, and you can make literally extra income coming in from this website. Also, if you're bored, also, definitely just hit up this website and start doing surveys to make that little extra money that you can go out with throughout the week. Now, the third website is another survey, but I want you guys to know that if you literally implement these things, as far as taking these surveys seriously and doing them day in and day out, you can make that extra income. So my third suggestion is for you guys on this website is Triba.com, man. Yes, Triba.com. It is literally a good way for you guys to easily make some income coming in, because that's why you guys are here, to make some free money on your PayPal account, man. And your PayPal account is probably low, but this is how you gotta do it, man. This is how you're gonna make the free income come in and day out, man. Just put a little effort into it, and I know you guys can do it, man. I believe in you guys, man. But let's get right into it, man. The big What is going on, guys? It is your boy Sean King, serial digital entrepreneur on the rise, guys. Now, I literally have 3 websites for you today to make free PayPal money, like literally free today. So what we're gonna get into, the first website is Triba.com, as you can see on the screen, man. Triba.com is literally a answering surveys. So you answer surveys, you join up. First of all, you join up, answer surveys, and then you earn money. Link in the description, though. But I want you guys to check this out, and I want you guys to start earning initial money offline today. So definitely click the link in the description. Start doing surveys, especially if you're bored. Don't scroll on your Instagram. Don't just be watching YouTube videos. You know what I'm saying? Definitely just get the flow of money started, man, and make income today. Now, the second website I got for you guys is very good, but it's PrizeRebel.com. Now, you can obviously get gift cards with this. As you can see, you got an Amazon gift card for $10. So this website is pretty good. Just take surveys, you redeem your PayPal money, and you can put it right on your PayPal account. Now, that it doesn't get any better than that, you know what I'm saying? So I need you guys to click the link in the description and start making income today, you know what I'm saying? Now, the final one is pointsprices.com. Definitely another website where you have to do surveys, and you'll get points, and you'll get prizes, and you get all these other things, man, just by doing surveys. I mean, that's literally the easiest way for you guys to make some income. If you really want to make some income right now, right in a hurry, click the link in the description, man. It's your boy Sean King, serial digital entrepreneur, man. Guys, I will have a lot of stuff coming. I will literally give you in my next video a free recommendation on my best way to make money online. It's going to be literally free. So stay tuned for that video because I want you guys to literally make this money offline. So it will be a free video that will be coming out soon, man. But y'all know what time it is, man. It's your boy Sean King, serial digital entrepreneur. And I'll see you guys later, man. Peace.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me